Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you itching to get a sneak peek at Apple's latest and greatest iOS 18 before its official release? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to walk you through how to download the iOS 18 beta onto your iPhone. First things first, let's talk about eligibility. To access the beta, you need to be a member of Apple's developer program. If you're not a member yet, it's pretty straightforward to sign up, but keep in mind there is an annual fee involved. Once you're all set with your developer account, the next step is to log into the Apple Developer Portal. Here, you'll navigate to the Downloads section, where you can find the iOS 18 beta configuration profile. Download this profile directly onto your iPhone. After the download, you'll see a new profile has been added in your iPhone settings under the Profile Downloaded section. Tap on it, install the profile, and make sure to restart your device to apply the changes. Now the exciting part. Head back to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update. You should see the iOS 18 beta ready and waiting. Hit download and install, and voila, your adventure with iOS 18 begins. But, a word of caution, beta versions are experimental and can be a bit rough around the edges. They might come with bugs or performance issues, so it's wise not to install it on your primary device. Always back up your data before proceeding. And that's it. You're now one of the first to experience the innovations of iOS 18. Dive into the new features, explore, and who knows, maybe you'll discover something groundbreaking. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to get notifications on more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.